Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with chapter 2, whole numbers for grade 6th. So here in this chapter, see what are the concepts that we'll be taking. First, we'll go with the introduction part, then we'll be covering the topic predecessor and the successor, then we'll cover whole numbers, the number line, we'll include properties of the number line, then patterns in the whole numbers. We'll be covering the above topics from the chapter. So let's begin here. Basically, what are natural numbers? Very clearly, natural. You can, if I ask you how many fingers are there, so what you'll be saying this is 1, 2, 3 and so on. You know the counting, right? So from wherever you are starting the counting, we say that that group is called as the natural number. So we can conclude here one thing, that natural numbers, if I represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on till unlimited, infinity, right? So this group or this set of number is called as natural number. So if we want to define natural number, we'll say it's a collection of the numbers starting from 1. And also they are called as counting numbers. So when we count, we begin with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and these are called as the natural numbers or the counting numbers. Now let's take an example. Where we can use these numbers. Suppose there is a tower given to you and the height of the tower is given as 70 feet. Now this 70 feet you are measuring, this is a number. So 70 here is a natural number. Similarly, if I give you an example of length of the table here is 30 centimeter in length. So here the number 30 is also a natural number. So we are using natural number in our day-to-day life in the practical situations also. If I say how much money you are having, so you might say I'm having 5 rupee or I'm having 500 rupee or I'm having 5,000 rupees. So all these numbers 5, 500, 5,000 or 5,055 or any number will be a set of natural numbers. Now, the next topic that we'll cover is predecessor and successor. So, what do you understand by predecessor? It's very clear from the word pre. Pre means which come previous to it. So, a number which come prior to the number is called as the predecessor of some number. And successor means the number which should come next to the number. Let's check it out with some example. So here we can say if we add 1 to a number, we get a new number which is called as the successor of the number. For example, if I give you the number 8 and we add 1 to it, so 8 plus 1, you get 9. So we say 9 is the successor of 8. In the same way, predecessor. If we subtract 1 from a number, we get a previous number, the number which is prior to it, and that number is called as predecessor of the number. Let's check with an example here. If I give you the number 5, so 5 minus 1, you get 4. So we say 4 is the predecessor of 5. You can take any example. What will be the successor of the number 5? So to 5 we need to add 1 and we get 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 6 will be the successor of 5 and the predecessor of 5 is 4. I think the successor and predecessor is very clear to you.